Hi everyone, thank you for joining me to a new video by Original Video Reviews. As you can see, we have here a new package which contains the relatively new Nespresso Expert coffee machine. If you follow my videos, you should know by now that the OVR guy, which is me, is an avid coffee drinker, and it takes lots of caffeine to create better and better video reviews. So let's not waste any time, let me grab the Swiss knife, here's the Swiss knife, and we're going to unpackage it. Well, boys and girls, what we have here is the Nespresso Expert coffee machine. The Expert is available for more than a year now. It has a modern design, comes in two different colors, and there's a similar model that offers a built-in milk frother. Along with the machine, you receive a tasting box with Nespresso capsules in 16 different flavors, and the relevant documentation, which includes a welcome brochure, a user manual, and a quick start guide. Inside the user manual, you should find a water hardness test stick. I didn't have the urge to use it because I guess the water I'm using for drinking are from good quality, but the real reason why I won't use it is because I'm afraid it will tell me that the machine is pregnant. The Nespresso Expert has a designated app that you can download from the Google Play and the App Store. The app offers recipe management, capsule stock management, scheduling a coffee brewing, maintenance notifications, and several other features. I managed to connect the machine with my smartphone, but unfortunately this feature is currently not available in my area, so I cannot share with you my thoughts about this specific feature. Like the rest of Nespresso's coffee machines, the Expert offers a pressure of 19 bar. It weighs 4.4 kilos and its electric usage is between 1150 to 1260 watts. The water tank's capacity is 1.1 liters. The water tank is made from plastic and it's prone to damage. The first time I used the machine, I dropped the lid and it cracked on the edge. Fortunately, I contacted Nespresso's customer service and they sent me a new lid. Before using the machine for the first time, it's recommended to wash the water tank. At the top of the machine you can see the following. This is the brewing button that is also the power button. It takes the machine 25 to 30 seconds heating up until it's ready for use. The factory settings will leave the machine turned on for 9 minutes before going off automatically. The machine has a settings mode in which you can redefine how long the machine will remain turned on and other settings according to your personal taste and the way you use it. It's not too complicated to adjust the settings, but personally I never felt any need to change them. During the heat up you can select any coffee preparations and select the brewing button. The capsules cover slides smoothly and allows an easy insertion of the capsules. The N logo is the maintenance light, and as long as you use the machine properly, you shouldn't be too bothered about it. At the front of the machine is located the temperature dial that allows you to choose between warm, hot and extra hot drinks. To turn the machine off, rotate the temp dial to 0, it will blink for 5 seconds and shut off. The beverage selection dial allows you to select between Ristretto, Espresso, Lungo, Americano and hot water. You can change the selected cup size during brewing by selecting the new desired coffee button. If the coffee volume of the desired drink is smaller, the machine will stop immediately. To stop the machine during a drink preparation, press the brewing button. The big circle with the Nespresso logo on it is the coffee and water outlet. This is an automatic machine, so when you're making a beverage that requires a capsule, when the beverage is ready and the machine stops, the capsules ejects automatically after 10 seconds. The used capsules drops into the capsules container that is combined with a drip tray. The capsules container can contain up to 12 capsules. I think Nespresso could do a better job with the design of the capsules container and the drip tray. A machine this size could use a larger capsules container, and it's a bit difficult to pull them out, so sometimes they detach from each other and this causes a lot of mess. The machine's base hosts this adjustable support that also serves as a drip grip. It slides smoothly on the metallic rail base and can be removed if you're using a tall glass or if you need to clean it. Now let's go to the bottom line. I purchased the Nespresso Expert right when it was launched about a year ago, and I've been using it for 6 months before replacing it with the Nespresso Essenza Mini. The Expert takes a lot of space for a coffee machine, but although the flaws I mentioned during this video, currently it's my favorite coffee machine because of two main features: the temperature dial and the hot water, that makes this machine very functional and much more diversified compared to other coffee machines. I love the Expert's design and believe you should get it if you plan to drink different hot drinks or if it's gonna be used by multiple users. Well, boys and girls, this was my video review about the Nespresso Expert coffee machine. For further information about this item, please check the description to the video, and if you still have any questions about it, please comment on this video and I will do my best to come up with an answer. If this video review was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to like this video. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel's original video reviews, OVR Kids, OVR Passion, and this channel, OVR Chef. And there's also the Facebook page and the Twitter account and the Instagram account and my Amazon profile pages, so there's plenty ways for you to follow original video reviews. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye!